guys, this is Kyra. Did you know that Win the Storm also falls on Valentine's Day, Monday, February 14th? But don't worry, we've got something very special planned for you. SVG is hosting an elegant Valentine's Day private dinner for you and your significant other. We have reserved the House of Blues venue in Dallas for an unforgettable Valentine's Day dinner from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Monday, February 14th. The Valentine's dinner at the House of Blues is not open to the public, only for Win the Storm attendees. First priority for our Valentine's dinner experience is available for VIP ticket holders. Enjoy private dining and restaurant reservations, unique artsy private VIP rooms, and more. After dinner is over, you will be able to enjoy the Win the Storm Industry Awards that starts at 8:30 p.m., so come red carpet ready. There will be live bands, a performance by the Dallas Cowboys Cheerleaders to 𝐀𝐍𝐍𝐴𝐶 Thunderstruck, an industry talent show, as well as the annual Win the Storm Industry Award Night, rewarding those hard-working industry entrepreneurs in the $100 billion plus roofing, solar, and storm restoration industry. Click below to RSVP today for an unforgettable Valentine's Day experience.